Welcome back. This video will be discussing about ClassPro. So ClassPro is an app which we use to communicate with our students in terms of sending them assignments, putting their attendance, any resources that you want to share, admission details and everything. The way to work with this is that first you'll have to get the login ID and password. So for that, all you have to do is ask your reporting manager or the coordinator of each particular branch, and then once you get that information, your username will usually be your company ID and followed by the password. So once you log in, it says invalid username or password. That's probably because I opened it using the student profile. So what you'll have to do here is I'll link this particular page in the description of this video, so you can click on that link. Once you go, there will be two logins. One is the admin login and the other one is student login. Make sure you are clicking on the admin login if you are a particular teacher here. So once you go in there, you will have the same sign in page. I was already signed in, so it directly took me, but you will have a similar page with your username and password. Click on them, fill those up, and then it's going to take you this particular page right here. So as you go into this page, there's only one option here, Bangalore. So you click on Bangalore, and then it's going to take you to this page right here. Now, depending on what kind of access you have, you'll have a bunch of tabs here. I have the coordinator access, so I have access to students, batches, exams, lectures, assignments. And depending on what is the hierarchy, you will be getting access to whether you're a faculty or a coordinator, you'll have different access. So my point of interest right now is the assignments. So let's say you're teaching a particular batch and you want to disperse an assignment. So the first thing you would need is you have to work with your departmental POW, and you will find the assignment right here. So in the assignments tab. So let's say I'm teaching this particular class, and on 29th of March, I want to give out this assignment. So what I will do is I'll take this link and I'll copy this link. And in here, what I will do is I will create a new assignment and fill up the details here. So let's say this is 25-26. The assignment name is something, there has to be a particular protocol for writing the assignment name. So the way you do this is you take the topic name, so it is vectors. So you go vectors, right? And then you write the subject, so vector physics, right? And then you write the school where you're giving out this assignment to, and this is very important part of the assignment. Okay, also one thing, before, if your assignments have levels in them, make sure to write the level in the first term. So for example here, there are two levels. This is assignment level 1 and level 2, and I'm giving out the first assignment, so my naming will be level 1 vectors, and the subject is actually optional. You can actually remove it, because down here you will see that you can actually select the subject later on. Okay, so you don't have to write the subject name here, but if you write, it's no issue. But make sure you are writing the name of the school where you are giving. So my school that I'm giving out the assignment for is this. So I can pretty much copy this one, and then I can paste it right here, right? So after I write the name, I can give out which assignment date on which it is given, the end date, right? And the batch that I'm giving the assignment for. Now, if you're not able to access the batch that you want to give the assignment for, probably you don't have the access to talk to your coordinator, right? So let me just give it to my group right now. So I'll just give out one assignment. I'll write NPS ITPL to or whatever it is, whatever school you're working with, right? So once you get this done, you can select the subject. You can write physics here, right? You can select the subtopic. This is completely optional, right? Take whichever your faculty profile will be somewhere around here, so don't forget to mark yourself, right? So I'll just write my name for now. And in this note is the very important part. You basically copy this link that you are trying to send, copy this link, and you have to paste it here. So once you have this link, you can press on this save button, and it is gonna disperse the assignment right here. Gonna disembers the assignment. So you can now click on this assignment tab again, and it will show up uh, if you search for it. So I did it for NPS ITPL 12A. So this is the level 1 vector assignment that I have just made. Submission deadline is on 29th March. This physics assignment is given to this particular. So once you create a assignment, it will show up on this, right? If you have too many assignments, you can also use the filters on the right? This will show you all the assignments. This will show you only the completed assignments. This is the due assignments, and these are the ones that are archived. So if you archive any assignment, so let's say you don't want, you accidentally give an assignment and you want to archive it, or it's a very old assignment you don't want in the major list, that is where you can you know say that this is done. Okay, so now once 1 week has passed, and let's say I'm now on 29th March and I want to close this assignment. So the way to do this is you click on this assignment, and it's going to show me all the submissions that people have done. So if you click on the submissions tab, let's say this person right here did not submit it. So what I can do is I can review it. If they have uploaded some work, it will show up right here. So you can click on it, you can view it. If you like it, you just upload, right? So when you approve this assignment will now be approved, right? This is showing me that 0 files were updated and 0 edits were. So if you don't like the quality of an assignment, let's say, so you can reject it and ask the student to upload it one more time, and then here you can also add some comments key, good work, and stuff like that. You can also upload the solution here if you want, or any particular discussion that you want to have with the some documents that you can also upload. Okay, so once you have checked all of it, let's say you approve a few assignments, and then after you're done with it, what you'll have to do is you'll have to mark as complete. Okay, you have to mark as complete, because if you don't complete it, it's gonna show up as due only. So make sure that after the deadline has passed, you mark as complete. And when you do that, one sec, let me refresh this page. Once I refresh this page, it's also going to show you on top how many people submitted, how many were approved, how many were rejected. So all of this information will show up right here, and then you can mark it as complete. Okay, so if I mark it as complete, this assignment is closed. You can no longer edit on this. Okay, there is a broadcast button that we not generally use, but the function of this is that if this is connected to the parents of the student, you will be actually sending all of this information who has done using this button, but that is not that we are using. So back to that assignment tab. Now if you go to completed, my assignment that I just created will wait one second, it is. So if I write ITPL 12, this is showing up level 1 vectors that I have just created. And remember, if you don't have access, high enough level access, you will not be able to delete assignments. So if you want any assignments you accidentally sent to be deleted, you have to contact your nearest coordinator, like I'm going to do right now after this, right? So make sure that you are very careful while creating the assignments. This can be edited though. You can edit some stuff around it, like you can edit what is the submission date and assignment date. If you want to extend the deadline, if you want to change the faculty, you can change the name and stuff like that. But the batches that you have sent it to and the subject are something that you can, if you don't have the high enough access. I don't, so I can't change. So that is the whole idea. And once let's say there is a student for which I gave out the assignment to, so in their profile as well, you have to be very careful regarding this. So in their profile as well, what will end up happening is it will show up as is as a assignment. So let's say I check out the batch 12A and this particular academic year. So you will notice that my assignment has just now been reflected. So this will be reflected in the student's profile. So what I'll have to do is immediately after this video, I'm quickly gonna ask it, because this will be shown to my students right now. It was up So make sure you are very careful regarding this process. And other stuff that you can work with is basically the exams and stuff, but that is something that I will be discussing was primarily on how to work with it.